Alright guys, I got this car today here. If you want to know why your car is not giving you good fuel economy, one thing you could do is check your tire pressure. So this car, I did check it, but all of its tire pressure is low, right? So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take that camera, I'm going to show you guys what's going on here and how you can check your car's tires, alright? Alright guys, so this tire looked like it got a good amount of pressure in it. It's inflated. Compared to the front ones, they're inflated, these are inflated. But it seems like it's inflated, but it's not, guys. This thing is down to probably like 25 psi, all right? So I'm gonna take my tool here, check your tires. If you're going on a long trip, guys, check your tires pressure, all right? So this one is, put my light away, 20. It's down to 20. All right, how much should it have? Usually 35. You do need to check your pressure summertime and wintertime. All right, in summertime what happens is the pressure expands from the heat. In wintertime, from the cold weather, it retracts and it becomes less. So in wintertime you need to add air, in summertime you need to take out air. That's one thing I can tell you. But how much this tire should have? 35, right? That's a normal pressure. So how do you know how much your car takes pressure and why you should keep pressure up to date? You can look at it, information right here. It's gonna have a tire little symbol right there. It's gonna have all kinds of information here, right? It's gonna tell you 32 psi front and 30 in the back, all right? But I would highly recommend for Hondas and Toyotas, 35 is good psi, all right? So, why do you need good PSI to get good fuel economy? Think of it as this way. Let's say you're running through the water. Running. You can run right through the water. But let's say now you're going to run through mud. You're going to have that drag, right? This tire is it's working that way. It's giving it more drag, right? So all you need to do is connect this little guy and put some air in it, which I'm not going to be able to do here with one of my hands full, all right, because I'm holding the camera with the other one. So all you do is, let me see if I can put my knee here. There you go, got my knee right there. Let's add air to this bad boy. Oh, my knee is coming off. But anyways, I got this duct almost close to 30. A little bit more, and that's it, guys. Put 35. Make sure you have caps on. Even though your tires look like they're full, check your pressure, guys. It's gonna save you a little bit of gas, all right? Probably yearly, it's gonna save you a couple of $100, all right? So thank you for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Any questions, send me a message.